Hello again, my dear friends. Another unpacking day. Like I said so many times, I am my own Santa Claus. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Again, from the mighty country of China. Maybe you'll say I'm crazy, but I'm always trying to reuse all these envelopes. It's very important. Not saving money, but saving the environment. It's plastic and it's fantastic. A studio microphone. And this is a condenser microphone. And this is the brand name. LEUS U87. Oh, come on. Brand name LEUS. It was really cheap. It's like 25 euros or something. At least I have in my mind for a long time to build my own studio microphone. So instead of buying a case, I'd rather have one of these. For this money, I got everything I need. So I think it's a good idea of using something already done. Okay, so here we have some specification: 30 to 18 kilohertz sensitivity, 135 dB the loudest level, noise 76 dB, 3 milliamps, and yeah, I can see a slight high frequency here, a peak. So that will make the sound kind of crispy, but like I said before, I don't really care because all I need or all I'm interested in is to have the case. And there you go. This is plastic. Doesn't really bother me. I'm not gonna have any tripsation with this microphone. Okay, so we have a foam in here. Not so great packing, but it's safe enough. Yeah, looking good. And that's the microphone. Well, I can say, first of all, it's metallic. You know what's happening next, no? Wow, I'm surprised. That's a lot of electronic here. Kind of. Of course, it can be improved. There is a small capacitor microphone. We have the screws here. I don't even bother to put it to work before I see everything in there. It's a big case, so I can use it. Okay, so that's the guy. That's in 1 inch or something. Let me see. So yes, this is a 25 millimeters capsule, 1 inch. What else it's saying here? Let's go back here. We have a circuit of some sort. Probably this is a FET transistor at the top of the things. Maybe we can see the indication on the LM358. Not a big deal. A couple of more transistors there. Well, I really don't care. But now let's test it for functionality. Let's put it back for now. Cardioid. The mesh, it's pretty nice. It's looking good. Something for this money, I don't have too much expectation, so careful with the screws. It doesn't feel too sturdy. So this is a L-45, the board I'm talking about, LM358. Okay, I suppose this goes in here. Nice. Easy to dismantle. Oh, we have another ring. And we have a cable. This is a nice touch. XLR. Yeah, looking okay. I'm connecting it to my sound card. Phantom power on. Testing. Okay. Testing. I have a little bit of gain. Oh yeah. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me open a recorder. Hey, testing. Let's put it on the same, almost the same height like my boya. Let me start reading the text here. The small pup gnawed a hole in the sock. Let me start reading the text here. The small pup gnawed a hole in the sock. The fish twisted and turned on the bent hook. Press the pants and sew a button on the vest. The fish twisted and turned on the bent hook. Press the pants and sew a button on the vest. The swan dive was far from short of perfect. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. The swan dive was far from short of perfect. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Her purse was full of useless trash. The colt read and threw the tall rider. It snowed, rained, and hailed the same morning. Reed was out for pleasure. Her purse was full of useless trash. The colt read and threw the tall rider. It snowed, rained, and hailed the same morning. Reed was out for pleasure. I have a strange that's because of my new dental work here, so... But at least we can have an idea about the quality of the microphone. And now let me have a close-up test. Same story, a little bit closer. Proximity effect, let's see. The small pup gnawed a hole in the sock. The fish twisted and turned on the bent hook. Pressed the pants and sew button on the vest. The swan dive was far short from perfect. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. The blue fish swam in the tank. Her purse was full of useless trash. The colt reared and threw the tall rider. It snowed, rained, and hailed the same morning. Read verse out loud for pleasure. Okay, so I think it's very clear. The proximity effect, it's much concludent somehow. And I already have some pics here. But anyway, this is only a first test. I'm pretty sure that eventually mode of this microphone will do the job. If we take it the other way, it's looking good. The support here is pretty tough, mobile. I'm pretty sure I can use it like that with a kind of improvisation here. Well, a new toy on my bench. That's nice. I love toys. And of course, entertainment. That's the most important thing. Cheap, I don't know. We'll see if it's doing the job or not. But for today, I'm pretty pleased with the purchase. 25 euros for the case, support. It's more than enough. Okay, so what can I say? Thank you for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button. Thanks to my sponsors too. Check Vlad from Mafia Records and Radu from Belgium. And of course, in the meantime, don't forget to have some fun. See you soon with some others. Bye!